What if you can use all the popular AI tools in this single dashboard? You want to generate the images? This platform lets you do that. You want to turn those images into the hyper-realistic videos? This tool lets you do that. Even you can clone your voice or generate the voice and add the sound effects in your videos. And not only that, it has tons of all the AI tools. So, for example, you want to try out ChatGPT with this Sora tool? This tool has it. You want to try out Google's Veo 3 or the Gemini or the Nano Banana for the images? This is all the things. And along with that, we have the Kling, we have the ByteDance, we have the Alibaba, all the popular Van or the Gwen popular models. We have the Helio, we have the 11 Labs for cloning your voice or generating the sound effects. We have the MidJourney, we have the Krea, Topaz Labs, all popular AI models in this single dashboard. So this is the physical plus digital. This is combining and the named as the Phygital Plus. So this platform offers all the popular AI models in this single dashboard, and it has something like a drag and drop dashboard. In the canvas, you are going to assigning all these popular AI models in a single dashboard or the canvas, and in the final term you are get your results. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick example. Right now, suppose you have just given this upload image of your e-commerce product. Then with the ChatGPT, you are going to give the command which kind of the thing you want to do it, and ChatGPT will create a ideal prompt for it. Then Nano Banana is going to generate the images with your e-commerce product, and then with the Kling, this product image will be turned into the really good video, and then later on you can do more of this stuff here. So you are combining all these AI tools in this single dashboard, not in just for using but for the actual purpose and the generating here. And in this video I am going to give you this platform detailed overview with the tutorial and the example. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. So if you want to try out the Phygital platform right now available in the lifetime deal starting from the just $59, you can use all the 30 plus AI tools in this single dashboard to start generating the different kind of the stuff and combining in this single play here. Okay, so if I scroll down below, you can just check out the get access to 30 plus AI models. You can collaborate in the real time here, and it has the drag and drop canvas that I am going to show you in just few of the seconds. You can create the images, video, 3D models. You can just generate the sound effects, clone your voice, and all this stuff. So we have the plans up to tier 5, and every tier plan has the limits of the monthly you can get every month here. But here's the get part: if you are going to get the tier 4 or the tier 5 plan, you can get these credits every 2 weeks renewed. So it's something like the infinite credits that is not going to be the burnout, because every 2 weeks you are getting the new limit of the credits here. Okay, then all the features will be the accessible in the all the plans here. So now let me give you a dashboard overview, and then I will give you the tutorial of this platform. So once you got its lifetime deal, by the way, I have given the link in the description, and this is how its platform is going to look like. We are going to setting up our account. So add your name, then after it will ask you the size of your company, the things you are going to do with this platform, then how confident you are in the AI. Okay, so it's like something I know the couple of the tools. Okay, then next, how I hear about this platform, I will go with the AI library, finish, and this will something like give you the dashboard. Okay, and this is how this is the canvas. Is pretty much the empty here, and here is a quick chatbot that is going to help you the everything. Even if you have the any queries and the question and want to know something like you want to do combining the both or 3 tools or the 2 tools, you can just ask it. It's going to help you. And it has also this thing that is documentation, where you can just watch the tutorials. There's also the AI library and wiki form available, where you can just learn more about this platform's AI models available. So we can access all the AI models or the tools in the left side, and this is categorized like for the generating images, for the videos we can transform. We have also generate audio and enhancement models available, and we have also the creating crop sections available. Okay, so I loved it. Okay, then we have also to generate the 3D images or the 3D things, analyze images, and there's also some additional things available. And if you want to train your AI in your own style, there's also a train your model section available. Okay, but right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start testing out this platform here. So I will go with the something like the train your models, or let's go with the start creating first product here. So I will this is our first project. I will go with the generate image. Okay, so let's click here on the Nano Banana. So I am using the Nano Banana here, and in the Nano Banana you can see this is the version 2.5 and this is the default version, but we have the pro version access also available that costs you some of the actual money, because you cannot use the Nano Banana Pro until you are going to buy the credits from the Google, but here I can just use it. Now let me ask something like create a hyper realistic cat sitting on a window with some plants. Okay, so this is, I have just given a simple prompt here. What I can do, I can also click here on the improve section, or if you want to just start testing out, you can click here on the random. It will give you some random prompt. Now here simply click here on the generate. Now it will start generating out the image based on the prompt you have given, and you can see it is going on real time here. So while this is generating, what I can do, I can just collaborate and combine the different AI tools in this single dashboard in this canvas here. I will show you out. Right now my image is generating, so what I can do with this image, I can turn it into a 3D thing. I can create out of more things. Let's turn this image into the video here. So while this image generating, yeah, this image generated, and I am really surprised because the quality is pretty good, especially because I have used the Nano Banana Pro. Now I am going to go this one, that is the generate video section, and here I am going to use the any of these AI models. Okay, I have the Runway, I have the Sora 2, I have all these sections available. So I'm going to use the Runway because just adding the motions, Runway is the best one. Okay, so simply click here on the Runway. Okay, and now what you can do, you can connect. It is going to fetch this image generated by the Nano Banana. Okay, I have connected this one, and now I am going to add the prompt. Okay, like add motion cat stand up and start playing with plants. Okay, so this is just the simple thing or the activity I want to add in this image, and I am not just downloading this image then uploading on the Runway. This is combined here because I am just connected these two things. Okay, now here what I can do, we have the settings available. In the settings I can just select the duration. Let's make it 10 seconds, or I think the 5 seconds is good one, so I will select the 5 seconds. The version, I can select the versions here. Then this is the seed, and the other things resolution, so I can control this thing. So everything is done, I think pretty good here. I will click here on the generate. Now this video will be the start generating out. This is in the queued, and within just I think a few seconds, and this is based on the model you have selected, that how much is it fast to generating the content. So it is start generating out, and it's within few seconds I think I will get the video here. So while this is generating out, what I can do still, let me give you some of the walkthrough. So suppose you don't know how to use the Runway here, or how to use the Nano Banana or the any other AI tool you are just selecting here. What you can do, while you are just selecting any of one, suppose I don't know how to use the Omni Human, so I will select that, and you can see it will start appear. Okay, so my video is generated. I will give you the demo here, but first let me give you the walkthrough. Suppose you have selected any of the AI model. In my case I have selected the Omni Human, and I don't know how to use it. So you can see this is the Ask AI. When I click here, it will give me the overview how I can use this AI model, what are the use cases. Okay, so this AI chatbot here is going to give you all of the answers, and it can make you literally an AI expert with these AI tools, this single platform. Even if you have any questions and want to know how to do that, you can just simply ask this AI chatbot for your workflow, and it will give you the answers. It will give you the steps, the ideas, the actions. Okay, so right now I'm closing this one, and my video is generated. Let me play it out. Okay, this thing is not that much of the kind of the stuff I have just expected, but still I have just given the simple prompt. If I give my prompt more clarity, I can get that, and even if I am not able to get the expected result, I can use any other AI model for the video generating, like the most popular ones like VO3 or the Sora 2. Okay, so this is just simple demo I have given you how you can use this platform, and it's mind-blowing, literally mind-blowing. Okay, so let me minimize this one, and now I can add the more stuff. Okay, for example, this time I'm going to generate the audio, okay, or I want to clone my voice. So I have this AI model available, and this is from the 11 lab. So I will simply add it, and let me maximize, and you can see simply I have to add the prompt, and I have to upload my audio, and then it can clone the text in my own voice. Okay, so I'm going to remove it. And here's the best part, even if you don't know how you can get started, it has the pre-designed templates available, and this is really magical. So I have this template section available. You can also click here, and it will give you all the templates library it has available. Suppose you want to create the 3D products out of your product image, it can do for you, and there are so many things available. You can just scroll down and just access all this stuff and get to know all these things. Like this is for the photography and the cinema. We have also the wide industry, like for the marketing and the businesses. Okay, we have for the designing. I'm really amazed. This is for the e-commerce. Suppose you want to just create the templates for your e-commerce images, you can do that. Okay, we have the fashion. Okay, so this is really exciting. Okay, now this is the template section that you can also access, and this is for the newly added. This is for the business and marketing, and I'm really surprised. Suppose you want to combine the two products into one, this is really good thing. And if I scroll down till the end, we have this so many crazy templates available with the workflows combining two or more AI tools into one. Okay, then if I go till the end, this is really huge library. Okay, like this one also, AI avatar drawing, interior design. Let me go with the some e-commerce products. Okay, so I just checked out this one, camera animation. So I am selecting this one, and this template is added here, and it is also giving me some of the steps how I can do that. For example, it is just letting me know that I have to first type my idea, then press generate, and it will be done. So this is just the template demo. It has given you the actual result. So let me maximize, and you can see here that it is asking me with the flux that I need to generate this image here. Okay, it has generated the image out of with the this prompt here, and then this image is turned into the video. Pretty much what we done here with the cat image. Okay, so I'm not going to use this one. Let's check out something else. Let's see. Okay, letter design, morph object. This seems really exciting, so I will select this one, and this will be added here. So let's see what this morph can do. Okay, it has morphed two images into this single one. This is the some liquid, this is the owl 3D image, and this is turned into this one. So exciting template here, you can test it out. So there are the n number of the possibilities you can try out with this platform, especially with the AI tools it has available in its library. Okay, all the popular AI models are the tools available. Okay, so this is all the stuff you can do it here in with this platform. And if I go to its pricing section, official pricing, it has the only monthly and the yearly charges. Okay, the subscription you have to pay, and for the starter you are only getting the 10,000 monthly credits, and you can see how much the every tool can cost you. For example, just for the training your model, it can cost you around the 4,000 plus credits, and for the generating images it is around something like the 30 to 60 credits per image. For videos we have around the from 300 to 1,000 credits. Okay, for only for one task. So I think 10,000 is not going to last that much. Okay, so this plan is not suitable. So pro plan give you the 45,000 monthly credits, and it has the almost the $60 a month, and I think that is the too much expensive. Okay, so that's why lifetime deal is so much affordable and the saving. So if I go to the pricing section, even the tier 1 plan gives us the 4,000 monthly credits, and I know that is not sufficient. That's why what I suggest, go with at least the tier 3 plan or the tier 4 plan, because this will give you the higher limits of the credits and the tools access. Okay, so that's totally based on you how much the requirement you have, but in my suggestion I suggest go with the tier 3 or the tier 4 plan. So if you want to check it out, the deal link is given in the description, plus I am also giving out the bonuses that you can check out. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. If you want to just play out the tools, there's also the free trial available, just testing out the tools, how things go out. Okay, but I suggest go with the lifetime deal, because there's also a 60 days money back guarantee. If somehow you are not happy, just return it and your money will be refunded. That will give you 2 months free risk-free trial. Okay, bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.